What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to AI systems that create new content, text, images, code, audio, and video, rather than simply classifying or predicting. It is the technology behind ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Copilot. In the next few minutes, we will explore how it works and why it is transforming every industry. Let us get started. Let us start by defining generative AI and what it covers. Generative AI is essential for modern professionals. Generative AI differs from classical AI in its goal. Instead of predicting labels or values, it generates new, realistic content that was not explicitly in the training data. The content modalities span text responses and summaries, photorealistic images, functional code, synthesized voice, and video, making generative AI applicable across creative, technical, and analytical work. Large language models learn to generate coherent text by predicting the next token from vast text corpora. Diffusion models learn to generate images by learning to reverse a noise addition process. Applications include conversational assistants, code generation, document summarization, marketing content, product design, and synthetic data for training other AI systems. The major foundation models, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Llama, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion, are trained at enormous scale and accessed via APIs or interfaces by billions of users. For key terms, define generative AI. Large language models learn language by training on trillions of tokens from the internet, books, and code. Their ability to generate coherent text emerges from this scale of training. Foundation models are general-purpose models that can be adapted to many tasks through fine-tuning or prompting, eliminating the need to train specialized models from scratch for most applications. Prompt engineering is a skill in itself. The quality, specificity, and structure of a prompt significantly affect the relevance and accuracy of generative AI output. Hallucination is the most significant reliability challenge for generative AI. Models generate plausible-sounding but incorrect facts, requiring human verification for high-stakes applications. Now let us walk through how generative AI works in practice. Implementing generative AI follows a structured approach. Foundation model selection considers capabilities, context window, cost, latency, and data privacy requirements. The right model for a creative writing tool differs from the right model for a legal document analyzer. Prompt engineering extracts the best performance from a model without modifying its weights. Few-shot examples, chain-of-thought instructions, and role assignments significantly improve output quality. Retrieval-augmented generation addresses hallucination by retrieving relevant documents at query time and including them in the prompt context, grounding the model's responses in verified source material. Output validation using classifiers, fact-checking services, or structured output schemas reduces the risk of harmful or inaccurate content reaching end users in production systems. Production monitoring tracks output quality, user feedback, safety violations, and model drift, informing decisions about prompt updates, model upgrades, and governance interventions. The generative AI lifecycle flows through these key stages. Model selections. Let us explore why generative AI delivers essential value. A well-implemented generative AI approach delivers measurable benefits. Developers using AI coding assistants report productivity gains of 30 to 55% on routine coding tasks. Writers, marketers, and designers see comparable acceleration in content production. Conversational interfaces powered by generative AI make enterprise applications accessible to non-technical users through natural language, reducing training requirements and increasing adoption. Generative AI enables entirely new product categories, from AI tutors and legal research assistants to synthetic media tools and automated customer service that were not economically viable before. The cost of producing a marketing campaign, software feature, or research report drops dramatically when AI handles the initial generation, allowing human effort to focus on refinement and judgment. Let us compare what happens without versus with generative AI. Without generative AI, organizations are limited by human throughput for content creation, software development, and knowledge work, making it difficult to scale without proportional headcount growth. With generative AI, organizations augment human capability with AI content creation, coding assistance, and conversational interfaces, achieving output growth that decouples from linear headcount scaling. Let us bring together the essential points from our introduction to generative AI. If you want to understand generative AI governance, risk management, and compliance, our full Udemy course covers foundation models, deployment risks, and regulatory frameworks. Enroll today. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.